fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Nee,
and it's your boy Jay,
and we are back with another video. So today we are going to be trying these.
the new
They
Watts.
are, yes, they're called Watts. They're new.
Fuego, they Fuego, like
Fuego.
CJ so cool. Fuego, Fuego.
So cool, I'm just playing. But yeah, they are Watts. They are another make of Takis. See, from the brand of Takis. And so basically, we're just gonna be trying these and see how they taste. You know, I open them to pour it on our plate.
They smell like hot sauce.
They smell like, yeah. Well, wish us luck, you guys. My mouth is starting to water already. Okay. This is what they look like. Like little, they look like Cheeto Puffs. Okay, oh Lord have mercy. Okay, now I gotta eat mine now. My mouth watering. Okay, let me finish telling you guys. Okay, you know how Takis are made with tortilla? These are like
cheese.
just regular puffs. Here goes nothing.
Like cheese.
Lime.
Yeah.
I taste lime,
Nasty junk.
cheese, and lime. They don't. I mean, they kind of. Whoa. I mean, they don't. They don't really taste like Takis. They kind of do.
I would demolish these things.
So, Joe, you like them?
I don't like them, but I'm finna demolish them.
They hot. Yeah, they are hot. I ate one and my mouth is on fire. I need some water. Okay, so here's the bag again, you guys. And they also come in, what flavor is that? Cheese Shock. That's Cheese Shock. And Lime Tornado. Yeah, Lime Tornado. Would you prefer somebody to go buy these?
Ain't nice.
Oh,
Yeah.
well,
If
there
you're
you
hungry.
have it.
If you're hungry. And them the only chips in the store, yeah, get those.
Well, my feedback on these chips is that I would prefer somebody to buy these. Like if they really like hot stuff and stuff that has a lime flavor to them, because that's exactly what these are. What? So yeah, I'm not gonna finish mine. I don't know what he's gonna do, but I'm not about to finish mine. I'm just trying another one so I can get the actual flavor of it. And yep, that was definitely just lime. I don't like them. Okay.
When I first bit it, it tasted like butt. Cheese.
I don't like them. Okay. I don't like them. Yeah, somebody eat if I was hungry. Definitely.
Comment down below. Press the subscribe button.
Yes.
Hit that bell.
Please.
And like this video.
Ding, ding, ding.
And tell this to a friend, to another friend, to another friend, to another friend, to another friend. Okay?
And don't forget to tell another friend. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Because that's where you're not going to find it. It's not on the map. Thank you.